Oh my. Ow. All I'm doing is just breathing and then I get the hiccups.
Hmm.
There's the arm rift to go.
Where?
Back there. Shooting. Southeast 131. Oh. Dickhead, don't do that out in the open.
There's a gold, something gold over there.
Could be gold.
No, it's a gun.
It's a pump. Oh no, I don't want the charge, fuck that. Oh. Where are we shooting? Oh, I miss!
Imagine you looking the other way and getting shot from behind.
I do that all the time. They're in the car. Oh no, they're not.
Yeah, there's someone in front of me.
Oh my god. Uh, Even if I go to yawn, I still get the fucking hiccups. Oh. Ow. They stole my purple sniper.
A purple sniper.
Uh-huh.
What the fuck is this shit?
It's gonna be in the storm.
You know. Trash, mate.
In front of you. Damn. Same
Fuck you.
ones that killed me.
Those two I was trying to find.
Yeah, they went the different way. Pardon me. No, they both had purple fucking snipers.
I don't even believe in this stuff.
Oh, I had a blue one. That's swear I thought I had purple. Yeah, that one there had it.
Oh, no. But do you go left?
Yes. Yeah, not meant. There's only one in there. But that's fine. Hello, Luke.
Oh.
Well, hey, I lost the hiccups for a minute. You can pick. Okay. Actually, Neighborino.